Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel once again with a new video of GoTranscript. In this video, we'll be sorting out some of the new questions of GoTranscript and the audio section as well. Before I start the video, once again, I would like to request you to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Secondly, please guys, stop using AI softwares and stop asking for the PDF files, stop doing the copy paste work, because I have seen many of the YouTubers who are saying that you can earn up to $50 a day by just doing the copy paste work, but it's not like that. Transcriptioning is something which needs very hard work. It needs research, it needs your time. It's a proper job, so take it as a job. Don't take it as a copy paste work. Okay, without wasting the time, we're gonna go to the GoTranscript website, and I'm not gonna use the guidelines once again in this video to save the time for you guys. So the first question is, what is a correct format of the website links? A option is right. Second is, what should you do if you cannot identify who exactly is speaking? A option is right. Third is, if the audio has no sound. B option is right. Fourth question is, if there is a word that you cannot hear due to heavy background noise, what do you have to do? Option C is correct here. Next question is, if there is more than one speaker, how should they all be noted? A option is absolutely correct here. Sixth question is, sounds made not by the speaker or sounds made not by person speaking are always on the different line. Seventh question is, the examination will consist of two sections. Eighth question is, why is it important to pass the test on your own and without anybody's help? B option is right here. Next question is, please read the guidelines before filling in the application. Out the application. A and C are the right options. Last question is, what is timestamping and what are the types of timestamping? Option A is absolutely correct here. So now I'm gonna click the confirm button and we will go to the audio section. We're gonna listen the audio, and we will try to find out the mistakes as usual. I'm gonna give the tips for solving out the audio as well. So let's just hit the confirm button here. Okay, here is the new audio set by the GoTranscript, which is starting by the sentence, retired former Santa Fe locomotive number 5704. I have tried my best to transcribe the audio. I don't know, or I don't give any kind of guarantee that this stuff is 100% okay, but this is what it is as per my best capabilities and my abilities. Okay, I have tried using the timestamps, inaudible, unintelligible on various sentences. So this stuff is subjected to make changes in it. Okay, if you find any kind of mistake, do let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section as well. But please watch the video till end, and the tips for solving out the audio section is that do some practice on the old tests first. There are a bunch of old tests over here. You can do some practice over here, and please try to try to use these shortcuts which is given by the GoTranscript website. Okay, what it gonna do is it gonna increase the chances of passing out the test, because AI system working behind this transcription tool will detect that a real human is attempting the test, and this is what all they need. What they are saying, that we give the 100% human written transcriptions, so they need humans to transcribe the audio files of their customers. They don't use the softwares, they don't need the copy paste thing. They need the human beings to do some research and transcribe the files. They need the humans to do that. Okay, So I'm gonna play the audio, and if you find any mistakes, you can just let me know in the comment section.
This audio is used for the transcriber test on GoTranscript.
Retired former Santa Fe locomotive number 5704 was recently cosmetically restored to its eye-catching patriotic mid-70s bicentennial red, white, and blue color scheme. 5704 was one of 5 of GM's 3,600 horsepower SD 45-2 locomotives painted in this unique style. These locomotives helped with the operation of the American Freedom Train, as well as special events such as the 1976 grand opening of the $50 million Barstow classification yard in Southern California. In other railroad news, the complete unmodified LA Railway Type B streetcar number 665 was delivered to the museum in Paris, California. This car started its service in March 1911 and was retired in '48. Movie mogul 20th Century Fox bought it and immediately put it to good use as a prop in such deathless classics as The Keystone Cops Meet the Three Stooges or some such nonsense. Actually, to be honest, I couldn't find any actual names of movies the streetcar was in, so I just made that up. I'm not making the next part up, though. Did you know that the simplest way of designating a railroad curve is by giving a length and radius? It's true, apparently. The shorter radius, the shorter the curve. The radius is usually stated in feet, although as usual the Brits muddy the waters by stating the radius in chains. One chain equals 66 feet according to them, which makes the story of Ebenezer Scrooge and his pal Jacob Marley even more interesting. Do you remember when Jacob came to visit Ebenezer? He told him, and I quote, "I wear the chain I forged in life." So, does that mean his chain was 66 feet long? That seems pretty heavy. Dickens didn't say what the chain was made of, but you have to assume it was some kind of metal since it rattled a lot. If they'd been made of copper, Jacob would have been a pretty well-off ghost, since copper these days is worth a pretty penny, which is ironic since U.S. pennies are made of zinc coats, which is ironic since U.S. pennies is ironic pretty penny, which is ironic since U.S. pennies are made of zinc coated with copper, and yet 9 out of 10 people won't even bend over to pick them up off the street. Well, carpe diem, as the saying goes. I don't know about you, but I'd be happy to take any pennies that people might want to give me for free. I mean, you can always do it to the poor and rule the million. Back in the 70s, though, 70 pennies would have been a pretty good deal, even for people in their 70s.
This audio is used for the
Okay guys, that is the audio for today, set by the GoTranscript, and I have tried to solve it out for you guys. This is what I could do using my capabilities, and as per my best I have done this for you guys. Okay, it takes a lot of time and some kind of research as well. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you find mistakes, do let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section as well. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and have a good day.